So there was a time when I was desperately in need of finding a skincare routine, just to take care of my skin and to feel like that girl. After doing some good amount of research, I finally came up with a simple skincare routine that I believe works for me. So I decided that I'm gonna share it with you guys just in case somebody's out there struggling like I did. The basic steps in a skincare routine are cleansing, toning, treating, moisturizing, and applying a sunscreen. So based on those steps, you will need a cleanser, a toner, a serum, a moisturizer, and a sunscreen. Let's get into step one. So when you cleanse your skin, as the name suggests, it's basically washing your face to get rid of the dirt, probably makeup, other forms of impurities, and just getting your face clean. Just as you would wash your body, you would take a shower to wash off the dirt off your skin or so forth. It's the same thing with your face. You need to be cleansing your face. This is the cleanser that I use. It's the CeraVe Hydrating Facial Cleanser, and this is for normal to dry skin. Now, when you're choosing a cleanser, you want to make sure that you choose it based on your skin type. So if you have oily skin, you might want to get a foaming cleanser. If you have dry skin, you might want to get a hydrating cleanser, which this might be a perfect one. All these items that are in my skincare routine will be linked in my Amazon storefront, so you can just check the description in case you want to try any of these products. I think I have combination skin or normal skin, so this is for normal to dry skin, so I think this works perfectly for me. Step 2 now is to basically tone your skin or your face. When you use a toner, it removes any remaining dirt that is left on your skin after you cleanse. Using a toner over time also helps with just brightening your skin and just the overall appearance of your face. This is my toner. It's the niacinamide brightening toner, and it basically has niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, so it helps to brighten and improve the appearance of enlarged pores. So now to step 3. Step 3 is to treat your skin type, or just basically treating any condition, any skin condition that you have. So it may be acne, it may be dark spots, it may be that you just want to reduce wrinkles, whatever it may be. Do your research and just find a serum that will help to treat that condition. So for me, I use Good Molecules discoloration correcting serum because I am trying to get rid of my dark spots. So this helps with discoloration and promotes an even skin tone. So basically, if you have dry skin, you might want to get like a hyaluronic acid serum. This helps to retain the moisture in your skin. If you want to reduce your wrinkles or just to brighten your skin, you might want to get like a vitamin C, etc. So just do your research and find the best serum that will work for the condition that you want to treat or based on your skin type. Step 4 is to moisturize, and as you can see, this is the moisturizer that I use. It's CeraVe as well, so I use CeraVe's cleanser and moisturizer. So this is the daily moisturizing lotion, and it is also for normal to dry skin. So with a moisturizer, you also want to consider your skin type and just little things like that. And basically what a moisturizer does, it helps to hydrate and just to keep your skin, kind of give you that glowing nice look. So that's what a moisturizer does. Pretty self-explanatory, pretty basic. The final step, and this is very important, is to use a sunscreen. This is the Black Girl sunscreen, and it has SPF 30. As the name suggests, sunscreen protects your skin from the sun. It also helps with hyperpigmentation, and it also helps with skin aging, all those things. So very important, if you're struggling with hyperpigmentation, you want to ensure that you are not leaving out your sunscreen, because the sun basically darkens your face, so it's gonna darken the spots that you're trying to get rid of as well. So yeah, so this is what I use. There can be other steps in a skincare routine. This is just my one, and this is what I use for the morning. And in the nighttime, my skincare routine is pretty much the same, except that I double cleanse. And basically what double cleansing is using an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser. So first you would use the oil-based cleanser, and if you're someone that wears makeup often, you want to make sure that you are double cleansing just to make sure that all the makeup is gone. So first you would use the oil-based cleanser, and this is the one that I use. It's Good Molecules. At this point, Good Molecules need to sponsor me, because I have like 3 products from them in my skincare routine. But yeah, this is the Good Molecules Instant Cleansing Balm, and it is an oil-based cleanser. So at nighttime I would use this, followed by my CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser, which is water-based. So as I said before, there are other things that can be in a skincare routine, but this is a simple and effective skincare routine that works for me. So I hope it was helpful. Remember that all the products are linked below. All of them are very affordable, and yeah, so go ahead and hit the like button if this was helpful. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you have a skincare routine, if you use any of these products, if you will be trying any of them. Just talk to me down in the comment section. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. Turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.